Students, welcome to Sheikh mathematics classes. Our main discussion is discount. Discount we consider technique number 5. In technique number 5, technique number 5 given, if a shopkeeper allows a discount of R1% on an article and mark price of the article is R% more than the cost price, then profit or loss percent in this transaction is R into 100 minus R1 by 100 minus R1. So this is our formula. It may be profit or it may be loss. Then formula is R 100 minus R1 by 100 minus R1. So this R1 means discount and this R means the mark price of the article are more than the cost price. These are, and R1 means discount. So positive values shows a profit and while negative value shows a loss. If after calculation you get positive value, then this will be profit, and if it is negative answer, then we get loss. So these are formula. Now let us consider one problem. A merchant mark the price on his goods 20% more than its cost price and allows a discount of 15%. His profit percent is 1%, 2%, 10%, 15%, and it was set in SSC CGL 2011. Now first we consider what are given here. This is 20%, that means R, and discount this is 15%. So here solution is start. So here we have small r equal to 20%, R1 equal to 15%. This is given. Therefore, our requirement required profit. So here given his profit percent is required profit percent is equal to, this is by formula R into 100 minus R1 by 100 in minus R1. This is our formula. Now putting the values, if you putting the values, 100 remains same, R means 20, 100 minus R1 means 15, minus R1, this is 15, this is 5, so denominator 5, and this is 85 minus 15, 85 by 5, 17 minus 15, then we get 2. Answer is 2%. Profit percent is, this is 2%, and this is our final answer. So his profit percent is 2%. Answer B. This is the correct answer. Consider another problem. The printed price of an article is 40% higher than its cost price. Then the rate of discount so that he gains 12% profit is 20%, 15%, 21%, 18%, and it was set in SSC CGL 2015. Now what are given here? We solve this problem by using technique number 5. Here R equal to given 40% and profit, this is profit equal to 12% given, and R1 equal to what? We have to find R1, this one. Since we know this formula, profit percent equal to R into 100 minus R1 by 100 minus R1. This is our formula. Now profit percent given 12, R 40, 100 minus R1 not given, this is 100 minus R1, this is 12, this cancel, 2 to 5, this is 5, 2 into 100 minus R1 minus R1. So 12, 5 is LCM, this is 200 minus 2R1 minus 5R1. 12 multiplying left hand side, 60, this is 200 minus 7R1. This is 7R1 equal to 200 minus 60, and this implies this is 7R1 equal to, this is 140, and R1 equal to 2. If we dividing, we get 2. Then R1 equal to 20%. Option A. This is the correct option. Now our requirement, the rate of discount is 20%. So this is our answer. Very nice solution. Consider another problem. A shopkeeper increases the cost price of an item by 20% and offers a discount of 10% on his mark price. What is his gain percentage? 15%, 12%, 10%, 8%. These are the options given. Now we have to find the solution. So here what are given? What are given? This is R equal to 20% and R1 discount given 10%. We have to find gain percent. So since gain percent equal to R into 100 minus R1 by 100 minus R1, this one, and putting the ready-made values, this is 20, 100 minus 10, this is 100 minus R1 is 10, this is 5, this is 90 minus 10, this is 18 minus 10, this one 8%. So gain percent is 8%. What is gain percent? And 8% is our answer. This is our answer, 8% our answer. This is the big answer. Big answer means today I want to stop here. So have you seen this type of answer? This is this answer only for SHEIK mathematics classes. So this is SHEIK specialist answer. So this is very easy solution. Just you have to by heart technique 5. By using this technique 5, we can easily solve this problem. So dear students, I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.